looks like the start, not just rover into the start pass to pivot. That is Shredda's there.
There you go.
Shredda's there makes it out of the pack and finishes the mission for Undertow.
Got an SSRD hat with Artemis and Smarties back there too. So like SSRD for Black Pack this time. Artemis is
Peach and Bones are working together to take down a tripod and get their jam free. And Smash Mouth just burst past the unconnected blockers here. Makes it past all of them on their first
I think that was directional actually. That looked like yeah, Artemis and had a nice knockout, but went out themselves, so they couldn't keep it. That's directional on Meaner.
Spell Monkey's on that outside again. That is another 4 points towards Undertow. The White Jammer completes their second scoring pass. Nacho Girlfriend in the meanwhile still stuck at the back of the pack. However, 2 Undertow blockers are currently in the box. They have looser competition here to try to make it through and finish their initial pass. Spunk Monkey gets hit out and run back, decides to call that jam there rather than go back, and that jam ends with 11.
Smash Mouth is out jamming for Black this jam. So both jammers are out. We've got Black in front. All 4. They're called for all 4 there. Okay. Alright, we've got Party out in the wall. And we've got Chi-Chi taking the hip blue.
And Corrado makes it through the pack.
Didn't actually make that much contact because that could have. Yeah, you gotta go back.
Squirrelers and Fancy Toast Outs almost makes it through the pack.
Didn't actually all the way step out.
That's a now a power jam in favor of Undertow. Corrado is the only jammer on the team.
Yeah, we're getting that called as a low block on 179.
I know. Right there?
Not yet have out yet. So we've got reverse power jam situation. Very well on the inside. I really should have just gone. So Artemis Artemis is out in the pack this time around. They're pivot. We've got White Jammer who got we've got multiple people on the floor in the back. I'm not sure what all that's cut call on Black Jammer. Oh, I like that wall work, but I do not like the amount of lunging that we've been seeing from a couple of the black blockers. They've been lunging in anti-derby. It's really the fact that they haven't actually connected well that's prevented them from getting directions. So we've got Nina out on the track.
Make it through this pack. Still pushing at the back of this tripod. Locker's taking the back of the pack here, trying to hold that back so Bones can make it out of the pack.
He's really got to be. That's a directional. That is. I don't know how we're not having those called.
Is in the penalty box again.
It looked to me like
that was a cut penalty called on them. Bones has another power jam in their favor. Bones talking to their team here, trying to get some good offensive movement here to get Bones through that pack. 1-3, 1-3, and Bones sends off to the box.
Oh, come on. Yeah, wide 8-2 through direction.
Yep. The pack. That is 4 points going to Undertow. We got Peachy also headed off to the box. Undertow here attempting to sweep to get their jammer through and in.
Low block, yep, white.
Through the pack.
I would have called that as a low block. Regardless, white 4-2-5 penalty box.
Skunk Monkey.
Okay, and apparently black 7-8-9 was at the end of their time, so white will be serving the full 30 seconds. And we've got Meaner up in front in the back. Nice.
There has been past 2 players, but Katie takes a slow for making it past those last 2. They take a hit and they keep skating and make it through that pack, picking up another 4 points on their second scoring pass. And Skunk Monkey out of the penalty box. Both jammers in the pack right now. Skunk Monkey almost makes a buy on that outside line, but cuts the track and is off to the penalty box. Literally, Katie makes it through the pack again, picking up another 4 points on their third scoring pass of the jam, and that is the end.
All right, so we got Ash out on the track. Yes, smash! Artemis out there in front. Both
Both
looking
jammers
to
go
get
for the outside on
points.
this path. Ooh,
Neither
Squirrely
wants
Temple
to
gets hit
call
out
it
with
an
the run
error,
back.
but Black has
Bones uses a
control.
no-pack in their
Should be
uses a
looking to call
no-pack
it
situation
before
to run
there's
the neutral
another.
line down and pick up 4 points for their team. Squirrely Temple still stuck, decides to call that
Nice
jam off, and it ends with 4 points to Undertow
They're
and
down
3
1
points to West
point
Sound.
from that jam. Could have been smarter, but
Got
like
Smash Mouth on the line again here for West Sound.
Meaner out in the ball and is Smash Mouse. That's not. Is that Mouse? No, it is.
And Smash Mouth is out of the into the penalty box for a cut. Oh, both jammers are off to the penalty box. Those hits they made against each other were 80 minutes apparently.
So they're going to be out at nearly the same time. No, why is Smash Mouse? Smash Mouse should have been told to stand immediately upon.
And Spunk Monkey makes it through the pack. That is 4 points for Undertow.
That's
Smash
an
Mouth
NSO
out of the penalty
error
box.
right
And thanks to some help from their blockers acting as offense, they make it through the pack, finishing their initial pass. Both jammers taking a spill on that outside line and getting run back. Smash Mouth.
Yeah! Way to catch the inside! While they were all distracted with the.
Spunk Monkey get tired here. I think can't make it past a strong ball presented by Undertow. Oh, there's a nice jump into the inside.
Great jump on the inside. We're going to be going the full 2 minutes regardless, so Mouse is really just.
Smash Mouth gets 3 points on that pass, having passed 1 down steal.
Yeah, you best go out like 18.
Peachy there with a great hit against Smash Mouth, pushing him out of bounds. Oh, it was manipulated. Peachy off to the penalty box and Smash Mouth making it
What
through
the
the
heck?
pack.
Was that what was called?
We got a West Town block headed to the penalty box right at the end of that jam.
Artemis out on the track. Nice. Good cycle. Way to take him all the way back. Not sure that you really should have taken the So Artemis is now our jammer. Chi-Chi's out for SSRD. We've got Black Jammer called on a track cut, so it's going to be a power jam for Bones out there. Bones is pushing against Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi's holding low. Ooh, yeah, that's a forearm. Black 004 forearm.
After West Town catching his forearm, and they're getting a good jammer. Not only does Bones have a power jam in their favor, they also only have 2 blockers to go up against it.
I think they really need to be turning around there. Try not to, like, unless you're super unless you're super
they make it through. That is their initial pass all finished. Bones makes it through the pack again, picking up another 4 points on their second score.
We got Artemis out there.
Monkey always tries to do everything and out by Artemis and cycles back to the back of the pack. Think about on the inside.
As Black 189 tries to just kind of thrust into that unsuccessfully. and Artemis is calling for the star pass, but they'll do the star pass as Jackson. Now, Artemis, I think they're a little far up. I think that's a little further up than we would supposed to have. Get back with Smarty, because Smarty's not going to get out of it. So we got Smash jamming, Artemis in the wall, Nina in the wall. Nina and Artemis are out there. Artemis kind of got,
out on their initial break as Smash Mouth makes it through on their second pass. Smash Mouth makes it through the second time, picks up 4 points and then calls that jam.
Really? They got one from that? Okay. Alright, so we got Smarty out in the ball.
Going up against Peachy. Peachy goes for that outside. Takes a hit and gets run back by your West Town pivot. Squirrel and Temple just here up against a tripod. Makes it out with some fancy turns, and that is the jammer going to twist it. Peachy dodges past the West Town pivot and makes it out of the pack and the pack of that behind Squirrel and Temple. Squirrel and Temple passes a few players and blows that jam out with Peachy gets close to catching up to them.
Out in the wall from the party. I don't see any.
And that's right as there, jamming for Undertow. No, jamming for West End.
Still,
And Monkey is
we need to do a better job.
half a lap behind them, right as there makes it out of the back.
Why are we fighting?
Jam is now scoring.
That seems like
Monkey makes it past 2 blockers and then calls that jam there. That is 0 points for Undertow. 0 points for West Sound.
okay, so I missed the last one. Smash Mouth, which is disappointing because Smash Mouth killed it. But we got Smarty out on the track here. Smarty is in one at the moment. Both the jammers are out, like coming around. Oh, really? That was a direct. That looked fine to me. I did not see stepping in the opposite direction. But I will defer to the wonderful refs who are Artemis and Chi-Chi out on the track this time. Both of them in the wall. Artemis has pivoted She's out in front, both Chi-Chi and Artemis are calling for pivot.
Monkey does make it from that inside line, and his finishes their initial pass right as the makes it on their first scoring pass. Eagerly Kicking makes it through the path and then throws the jam. Matchup is 0 Undertow for West.
But Artemis could have stepped into that position. Okay, yeah, in that time, Artemis needs to step harder and be prepared.
We have Smash Mouth here jamming against Bones.
5 seconds on the track. We've got Meaners in the wall. Mouse.
Looks like Bones is acting as a blocker here for now, trying to hold Smash Mouth's back. Bones makes it through the pack there. Smash Mouth makes it another jam in favor of Undertow. Bones the only jammer on the track.
Power jam. Meaners all the way out in front. Freaking catching. Okay, I
Makes it
feel
past
like
2 goals and
oh, you know that.
And Bones makes it through the pack. That is a 4 points for Undertow. 27 is off to penalty.
Ooh, that was a
Bones is
great
through the pack with some very fancy footwork on that outside line. That is 4 points going to Undertow. And Smash Mouth is out of the penalty box, going up against an Undertow tripod at that line. Bones goes for that inside, but gets hit out by number 6 and run back.
It was fine this time.
Smash
Oh, beautiful alignment.
on their toe
Great
stop.
toe stop.
This is their initial pass, and they are now on their first scoring pass. Bones looks to on their second pass and then calls the jam.
Alright, the jam just started. Whatever. Artemis is out there. Yeah, Artemis and Smarty both are in the wall here. Oh, and that was a beautiful apex jump. Smarty should be able to handle that. We can talk about line coverage later, and like especially in apex situations. No, I disagree there, Paul. I saw the blocker skate actually went out.
Artemis goes from the outside, dodges free back hit, and gets all the way to their second
Artemis
scoring
did
pass.
it. Yeah.
Artemis challenges the back of the pack this time, trying to push those blockers instead of run a line out. Does not work, and he gets kicked out by one back. Artemis goes to the inside this time, still gets caught by more blockers. Spell Monkey makes it through that back though and gets another 4 points and finishes their second scoring pass for Undertow. Both jammers are now on their third scoring pass. Artemis gets hit out by Peachy and run back. Spell Monkey does not get hit out and makes it through the back again, finishing their third scoring pass. Spell Monkey, as a matter of fact, in the penalty box, now a power jam in favor of Undertow. Both jammers are twos. Spell Monkey is still the only jammer on the track, having been released from watching Artemis spot there.
I am too.
Our jam timer was on time for this jam. Started pretty quickly, and literally Katie takes the lead. Bones up here fighting against 27. Makes it through after taking that stall. Bones is not leading, but is now scoring. Looks like literally Katie's off to the penalty box. We have a power jam in favor of Bones.
Chi-Chi's on the inside,
Bones having the player stop and stay out of the way. Some confusion here as the blockers try to make a plan here to help their jammer out. Bones gets hit out by 25. However, 25 also went out, so Bones did not have to cycle back. Bones is through the pack and takes a knee, but luckily gets back up before anybody can catch up to them. That is 4 points for
That's why
Dockyard.
we've got to be cautious because Bones taking a knee there, they could have been cautious.
Bones going for the inside line this time before the blockers come and help him open up that outside line. Bones gets past one of the players.
I really want to focus on, I would really love to focus on people
Katie's out of the box and slipping through the pack. That is 4 points going to West Sound.
You're strong.
Bones tries to call that jam off, but Bones does not have lead. Has to keep fighting. Literally, Katie gets hit out by 9-3-4 and run to the back of the pack. Bones just stuck here in the middle of the track, not able to get past a strong Undertow tripod.
Nina Bridges, good job, Nina.
And literally, Katie makes it through on that outside line, taking up 4 points.
Alright, that's one less person out on the...
And 33 off to the penalty box. That's Chi-Chi. Literally, Katie swooping through the pack again, picking up another 4 points for West Sound. Bones giving up on jamming. These blockers are just too strong. Decides to act as a
Okay, so we've got Artemis.
Monkey goes for that outside. Smash Mouth goes for the inside. Spunk Monkey
and
does everyone to the inside via a two-pointed release. Then Jammer goes to bed.
I realize that I haven't really done
Smash
anything.
Mouth makes out by riding out a hit on that outside line. Finishes their initial pass.
White 149, black 119. Although this is now a scoring test. Slightly.
Monkey dodges it from Artemis and makes it out of that pack. That is 4 points to Spunk Monkey. Smash Mouth right behind him. Still about half a lap behind him, actually. Also picking up 4 points.
Decent job, but
Skunk Monkey passes a player and then calls that jam. That jam, oh, they passed 2 players before they called the jam. That jam ends Undertow.
Alright, so out on the track this time, with the wall we have so
Ooh, and your black jammer makes it out of the pack first, getting lead jammer. Praise my anatomy, almost makes it through that outside line, then gets hit out by the Undertow.
and manages to run back a
Ooh,
decent.
another great run from Squirrely Temple,
If
picking
nothing
up 4
else,
points
just
for
like
West Sound.
That could have
Praise my
easily been a
anatomy,
bad
still
hit.
fighting here behind the strong
Are
trike.
we getting called on
And they
multi?
make it
Yep.
out.
That was indeed a multiplayer. I agree with that call by Paul.
And
The call.
Squirrely Temple picks up another 4 points, finishing their second scoring pass, and then calls the jam off. That jam ends 8 points West Sound, 0 points Undertow.
We're in to score 155 to 130.
Looks like we had a team timeout called here by Undertow.
Alright, so we've got
Smash Mouse and Bones both take a slow start, I guess, assessing the situation.
as Jammer looking to get on the inside, and Smash Mouth makes it, steps through, so kudos to Gigi for opening that up. Careful there with that crafting, you're going to get a multi, which we don't see the multi, but both Meaner and someone else are going to the box. So jam is called. That's going to be a little bit rough to start with two blockers just starting in the box. The score is currently 155 to 137 with Dockyard up just under 10 minutes left. We'll be hitting 9 minutes here.
We have Ginger Spikes jamming for Undertow this time, going up against Squirrely Temple, who's jamming for West Sound.
So I don't necessarily see any SSRD on the track at the moment, but they will be once we get Meaner rejoining. And
Ginger Spikes makes it through the pass.
Caught.
Makes it through the pass.
Well, okay, yeah. Even if it's not a cut, it's skating out of. They did skating out of bounds. They avoided it.
Picking up 4 points for West Sound.
I will pick that up in a moment. Meaner is returning to the track.
Ginger Spikes.
Yeah, that's a bad
Temple
block.
does a
That
great
was
job
a
on one
bad
foot running down
block
that
on
outside line on their
Black
second pass and gets 4
0
points for West
on
Sound.
Black 3-0.
Ooh, they run that outside line out again with a great rainbow skate there. That is another 4 points going to West Sound.
So I'm really not sure why that didn't get
And Ginger Spikes out of the box. The two jammers neck and neck as they both approach the pack. Both jammers here caught on that inside line. Ginger Spikes makes it out first. They pick up 4 points and finish their first scoring pass. That jam ends with 4 points.
So out on the track, we've got both Artemis and Smarty. Smarty is in one. Artemis is pivot, currently acting as brace. We almost give up the inside, but Artemis manages to step into position, knock him out, and there we go. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, that was a nice catch. That's like what I like to see.
Keeps on spinning around and then finishes their initial pass.
Okay, so we're out, and we might as well take
that. That jam ends at 3 points West Sound, 0 points
So
Undertow.
that's just about closing the lead. Not quite closed, but with 6 minutes, 30 seconds left, we're at
Bones
Dockyard
jamming for Undertow, this time going up against Smash Mouse, who's jamming for West Sound.
So a 7-point differential. This is a pretty easy gap to close. And out on the track, we've got Chi-Chi in one, Smash Mouth is jamming. up against Bones.
Both jammers here fighting in front of the pack.
Yeah, mouse! Beautiful, beautiful. Bones is pretty close behind, so at this point, Mouse will probably look to get 1 or 2 points. 1 point and call it, which we do not.
The two jammers have a pile
That
up on that
looks
inside
like
line.
it
Look at them
was
on their
not
first
a
scoring
great
pass.
job. So we've got Meaner out on the track this time. Meaner's taking the inside.
Ooh, Peachy makes it on that
Meaner's trying to catch,
outside
doesn't
line.
quite
That
catch
is
Undertow. But she gave chase. I mean, I'm bad at it as well, but I think we need to be careful about giving the chase just for the sake of getting chase.
Like on the outside line and pulls the jam off. However, Peachy got I want to say skating out of bounds penalty, and it sends the penalty box, so the jam does not end. Squirrely Temple takes a hit on that outside line, but recovers quickly and sweeps through the rest of the pack, picking up 4 points for West Sound. And Squirrely Temple makes it through the pack again. Does not make it through the pack, makes it past 8 players before getting caught.
Obviously, it wasn't a low block, that's a defense call. Squirrely Black 6-2 is pushing up against the front of the pack and kind of caught in the wall. They've got a full wall up there. I think that Black should really be sending one for offense here because we're stuck too much. And yeah, good job, Meaner. Good observation, Meaner. You really got up there. Although I guess their jammer got up. But no, I liked that because Meaner did a moment or two of offense as they went to cycle to the front to catch the jam. So that was really smart on Meaner's part.
Smash House is still on the track. I just didn't see that. We're making it back again, picking up another 4 points. Peachy's fighting here, getting it out on their second scoring pass. Squirrely Temple's on their third scoring pass. And that is the end of the jam. That jam ends with 10 points to Undertow and 10 points to West Sound and 7 points to Undertow.
Lead change! Lead change! Wasn't it a lead change? Oh no, not quite. Never mind. 2 points into a lead change. I'm wrong. It's 166 to 164. I'm blind apparently. Alright, so we've got both Artemis and Chi out there. Yeah. That was a full 4. That was 4. Yep, good job.
Points for Undertow.
So we've got 2:30 left in the game, and the score is currently 170 to 166.
Which would mean that this is the last jam of the game.
No.
Point spread is currently.
Well, yes, it is. 4 points, and 4-point spread.
Our 2 jammers in this jam are Skunk Monkey and.
So close. Like, honestly, I think this is worth SSRD calling or whatever. West Sound, that's the black dude. But no, okay, so there's at least one more jam. 174 to 168. 135 left in the jam right now. So when it starts, we're going to be at 120 left in the half, then we'll be in jam time. So, but depending on how quickly this goes, they may want to call timeout to have the possibility. Anyways, we've got Chi-Chi on the inside, Artemis as pivot.
Peachy goes for the inside and Shirley Temple goes for
and they've got them caught, like that's what we want to see. Unfortunately, heard a whistle on somebody. Oh, it's a power jam. It's a power jam. This is your chance to get a last minute and a directional. So that's one more. Well, okay, that's one more person off the track. Come on, y'all. We really need to get them out here. This is your opportunity. Okay, well, that means that we're going to go to full time. This is the final jam now. So if Artemis can manage to complete, what's that, 2 scoring passes total to their run, but the jammer is back in. We can take
these blockers are just
yes! Nice job, Artemis. Nice, that was beautiful. Although we have a rest injury, this is a problem. Yeah. Okay, so we are in the jam. Unofficial was announced. The game ended when the jam was called due to potential injury. Paul Bear took a bit of a spill, which, not often that you get UFC but there was a tripping situation. Hit his head, had to get a concussion check. Which is a little bit disappointing, both in terms of possible injury and the fact that Artemis was on a pretty good pass there, and the final score being 174 to 170. It's possible one more pass that West Sound could have squeaked out with the wind right at the end, because with such a small score differential, it really came down to the wire. So, all in all, very good game. There's some observations that I'd like to make. I think that there's a little bit too much backwards skating from the few passes that we did out there. I think Chi-Chi's way too quick to want to turn around. If she can learn to be forward a bit more, she's gonna be way stronger with that. I know it's really hard to do. Really, you want those observations. I was super impressed with Mina's skating out there. She had some super smart plays, like one where they were going to the front, where going to the back, she played a little bit of offense as they all skated forward to catch the jammer. So Mina, awesome play. Artemis, super strong, great in the pivot. Smarty, pretty good, strong out there. I would like to see Smarty not be so quick to use the forearms. And that's something that I know has come up in the past. The Smarty's pretty heavy on forearms. Smash Mouse did amazing at jamming. She killed it. I think that there were a couple of times that she was definitely gassed, but so good with the observations on where she needed to be and the burst of energy to get through there. Good overall. It was excellent. The game was super close. It was really good. They were well matched, and it seemed like just a quality time. All right, those are my at least immediate observations. Maybe I'll have more.